I can do a renter-friendly wallpaper hack. The method that I've settled on is really unprofessional. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, you know what helps? If you turn it the right way. Oh my goodness, that's cute! Hello everyone, and welcome to day one of VLOGMAS. I am attempting to do VLOGMAS. If you don't know what that is, it's where you vlog every single day of December leading up to Christmas. I'm really crossing my fingers that I can stick to it, but I think it's gonna be really fun. Hopefully I'll get 24 videos out and you guys can get to know me a little bit better. I'm really excited to do just a more laid back sort of format. I love filming vlogs, and so yeah, I'm really excited. We'll see how this goes. That's about all I have to say about it. I don't want to go on for too long, because that's not why you clicked on this video probably, but I hope you're excited to hopefully see me here every day. This video, for any Vlogmas purists, I will say it wasn't filmed on December 1st. I did start this a few days previous just so that I could make sure that if a day comes up where I have absolutely nothing to film, or if I can't film for whatever reason, that hopefully I will have enough content to stagger in between there, but it will still be in chronological order. So hopefully that doesn't matter to you. I'm just excited to get out a bunch of fun, cozy Christmas content. I think that's a sufficient intro. Nobody cares. Let's get started with the day. It is a snow day today, and I'm really excited about that. We're supposed to get up to 20 centimeters today, and so I think that's the perfect time to get some projects done around the house. Some projects that I didn't know I needed to do or wanted to do, but have all of a sudden come up. We're kind of going through a tidying sort of stage, purging stage in our house right now, and my mom had a bunch of wallpaper rolls that she pulled out from under her bed that she had been saving, and she was gonna give them to Value Village, and I said, wait a second, actually, I want those. We rent where we live, so I actually don't want to hang wallpaper like this. You'll see it's a little intense. It's not exactly like a nice neutral wallpaper. We do have a fair bit of freedom, but still this is a little bit much. But then I was thinking there's definitely ways around that. I can do a renter-friendly wallpaper hack, and this is the wallpaper. Like, it wasn't just gonna be something simple and minimal. If you are a frequent viewer of this channel, you already knew that. So I have an area in my hall that is just not used ever. So currently we're standing in my hall. That is my bedroom door. This area is just so random, and it's never been a space that I've actually been able to utilize, even though, like, this is in complete disarray, by the way. But like, I have all of this space and all of this space behind me. And then there's a staircase that way that I have blocked off by this wardrobe that I'm gonna get rid of. And so I wanna have that open again and hopefully be able to actually use this room. And so I think instead of painting, I'm going to attempt to wallpaper some of that space. Now, the method that I've settled on is really unprofessional. What else is new? But I thought, I don't have double-sided tape. Currently, I can't leave my house because it's not driving conditions outside. So what do I have? I have thumbtacks. And so I'm gonna use these really nice flat thumbtacks. They're barely gonna make a hole. You can literally fill that hole with paint. I'm just gonna hang a few pieces up and see what it looks like, see if I can kind of get a direction going, because I think where this space is going to be evolving into is like a little cozy library reading nook. So let's try to hang this. So I have 5 rolls of this. I'm gonna at least try to do, well, not try, I'm gonna do this wall, which create this narrow hallway, and then if I have enough left over, I'll start working in to the little like squared area out there and see how far I can cover with the rest of it, because I don't ever use wallpaper, so I don't have a good concept of like how much this is gonna cover. And the other problem is I only have this many thumbtacks, so this might be a to be continued kind of thing. But isn't that the joy of me posting every single day? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice. A cheese box, as you do. If I could at least just tack the top and bottom of each piece, that would be ideal. Today's supplies substitution. You don't have a ladder? It's fine, use a cheese box. Let me just move you up a little bit so you can see where I'm at. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's do one. Oh. Nope. Might need to hammer those in. Look out, I'm getting a tool. Hammer? No, antler. I'm gonna tap them in. That looks so cool already. Should I tack it first? Maybe. Wow, this looks so good. And I've barely done anything. I love when that happens. Just need to cut this, and it's probably not gonna look amazing. I think the thing is, when you have like a very maximalist kind of style, you don't really have to do things perfectly because you can just layer so much on top of it that you don't even notice. Guys, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Now this is the part of wallpapering that I forgot about. It's literally a huge part of the wallpaper process is that I have to line this pattern up with itself. So that's hopefully not going to be difficult for me. Oh, I'll just fold it. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Genius. Only I had a bone folder with me up here. I cannot be precise. Just not in my DNA, guys. Scrap. Oh no, 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 no. This is not a dog-friendly activity. I have to divert the dog. He could sense there was chaotic decorating going on and he just wanted to be involved. Ah! Oh no! It's so weird because on the roll, it looked so much more silver. But now that it's up and laying flat, it looks more gold, which is way more my style. So I'm very happy about that. So you can see behind me, I have this wall basically done. That took me like 20 minutes. I'm just trying to preserve the thumbtacks that I have because I only have 2 left. And so what I'm gonna do is just leave these like this because they're all nicely lined up. And then when I get some more thumbtacks, when I can actually go outside, I'm gonna place those periodically, not too many, but just throughout the seams here so that they lay flat. But that's about it. I think what I'm gonna do now is kind of decorate this wall because I'm the kind of person, when I'm working on a project like this, like I need to be able to see it come together as I go along. So I like to work on like one vignette at a time. So this wall being like this, I kind of need something going on it in order to see where the rest of the room is going. I'm just looking around. I have some photos that I could use. I also have, which I might put on this wall, these 2 fur stoles that are from my grandma. I don't know if it's gonna be like too overly glam looking though, and also incorporating a mirror could be interesting. So I think I'm just gonna like scrounge around for any decor I can find that I want to hang up there. Let's see here. I think that's good. And I don't have to measure where these nails go because I'm just following the pattern of the wallpaper. So imagine this entire hall has that mood, and I think it's gonna look a lot nicer. It's so hard for me in a room like this because I am so like color and print based that it's really hard for me to imagine where to take a white box, you know? So seeing this wall done, like that's why that's hanging out there, because I didn't cut around the light switch. But yeah, it's really difficult for me to figure out like what does this actually look like once I get the whole look layered up together, because seeing this in contrast with this like starkness over here, which is what the whole space basically looks like. It's hard to just look at this isolated, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It's so hard to get these little screws to catch. Oh, you know what helps? It's if you turn it the right way. I find that always helps. My mom saved the day and found me more push pins. Thank God. Oh, this looks so good. Thanks.
Damn.
I know. So I have the whole opposite wall here done. So this wall, and then the corner here where these doors meet. Here I'm starting to like work in up there. No, up there. So that's just a lot of cutting pieces and sticking them in. So I'm just working with whatever scraps I have from all of the cuts that I've made here. I didn't think I would get this far today, but I think I'm gonna move up a little table that we have downstairs. It's kind of like a console sort of table, and that's gonna go right here. And then we have a set of shelves that's behind like glass doors, and it just so happens to work perfectly that we can put that right on top of the table, and then I can store my books in there. I'm gonna move them up here and see how many books the shelves can hold, and then also if I like them in the tone that they are. They're two different wood tones, and the top cabinet is quite red, but I wanna see, it might actually end up kind of matching the tone of the woodwork here. If not, I might just stain it a little bit darker, make it less red and more like dark black brown kind of feel. So anyways, I'm just waiting for my mom to help me move that in here, and I'm very excited to see how it's all gonna look. We're gonna bring it in first because we need the vertical space to pivot this in here, because I need to close the door and move this table back.
Oh, we're good. One more. There we are.
Small space moving.
Do you have enough room to tip?
Let's tip and then move.
Okay.
You
Ready?
know? I'll lift from the top, you lift from the bottom. There we go. That's fine.
I'm so short by the time you
Yeah,
get there.
I got it.
Yes. Whew, holy crap.
I've been accumulating a lot of classics recently that I am telling myself I'm going to read. And when will I do that? There's another, some more. A lot of these books are a lot smaller, so I'm gonna put them on the top shelf, I think. Oh, this is so exciting. I just want to say this is very reassuring because lately I've been feeling like I've been going a little bit too hard on buying books, and the empty space in this bookshelf would tell me otherwise. This tells me I need to fill this. So, not sure where the miscommunication in my brain happened there, but like that's not that many books. I am so obsessed with how this is looking though. I think it looks so studious. Mostly the top shelf of books that I haven't read. So I'm gonna keep kind of playing around in this room. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for staying with me through my very first day of Vlogmas. I'm so excited to see if I can finish this whole month posting every day. Stick with me, okay? It might be a little bit difficult to get there, but I'm gonna try. So thank you so much for watching. You can give this video a like down below to let me know if this is the kind of content that you want to be seeing from me this month, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I will see you back here next time. Bye.